So here is your first whole bathroom. First impression. What? No flowers. Floor is interesting. Very dated. You know, I don't really think I'd like to do this.
What are you doing? Stop that. Hey. Leave that broom alone. Hey. Leave that broom alone. Leave that broom alone. Hey. Leave it alone. No, no, no. No, no. Hey. No, no. Sit down. You're going to clonk your head.
Really nice size, lower level, and it's exposed, so it brings in a lot of sunshine. Yeah, this is a real big room. And it's not as big as the one yesterday. No. It has a fireplace, but it is an older. Yeah. It was by himself, but it was at an existing shop. Okay. Yeah, I'll talk about it on heat. I like that, you know, the backyard is fenced in, and it's big enough for Coco to run around in. The kitchen, I really
Hey. No, no.
I think we really need to think about those bathrooms because two of those things here really need to go from scratch. All the wallpapers would need to go.
Where are you going? You're going to get stuck now. Stuck in the corner.
On there.